Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming the simple Wi-Fi router, often used just for internet, into something truly unexpected: a powerful, high-gain TV antenna. You might think this router's purpose is strictly limited, but I'll show you how to give it a completely new life. I'm having a common coaxial cable splitter. Now, you might be wondering, what am I going to do with this? Watch closely because this is where the magic begins. To begin, I'm going to carefully unscrew the back of the router. There are usually 2 screws securing the casing, and I'm removing them to access the internal components. This step is crucial so we can integrate our new part into the existing electronics. With the screws removed, I can now gently pry open the router's top cover. Inside, you can see the circuit board and the original internal wiring for the antennas. I will be adjusting these original antenna wires out to make room for the upgrade. I'm taking my coaxial splitter and checking where it can best fit within the router's casing. Now for securing the splitter. I'm using a hot glue gun to firmly attach it to the router's base. This ensures it stays in place and doesn't move around once the router is reassembled. A strong bond here is important for the stability of our new setup. The goal is to integrate it seamlessly, ensuring it sits securely and doesn't interfere with the existing components. This placement is crucial for the stability of our new antenna. Next, I'm taking these 2 white wires. These wires will act as an internal connection for our new antenna. I'm carefully soldering one end of each wire to specific points on the router circuit board. These points are typically where the original Wi-Fi antennas were connected, so we're essentially redirecting that signal. After soldering, I'm shaping and routing these wires to connect them to the splitter. This involves a bit of bending and positioning to ensure they fit neatly within the router casing and reach the input terminals of the splitter. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. I'm also adding more hot glue to ensure all the internal connections are secure and won't disconnect or short circuit. This adds an extra layer of insulation and prevents the wires from accidentally detaching or causing issues due to vibration or movement. Stability is key for consistent performance. Now, for the router's top cover. I need to create an opening for the coaxial cable to pass through to connect to our newly installed splitter. I'm using a drill with a step bit to make a clean, appropriately sized hole. Then, I'll clean up the edges with a utility knife to ensure a smooth, professional finish. I'm now taking our black coaxial cable. I'll thread it through the hole I just drilled in the router cover. After that, I'm stripping the end of the cable very carefully to expose the inner conductor and the braiding. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. This precision ensures a proper connection with the F connector that I'm about to attach. This step is crucial for good signal transmission. Now, I'm screwing the F connector onto remaining connector of the antenna splitter inside the router. I'm making sure it's snug for a good connection. Then, I use pliers to secure the cable firmly to the router's casing, preventing it from being pulled out accidentally. After connecting the cables to the splitter, I'm carefully closing the router case, ensuring all wires are tucked away and nothing is pinched. Then, I'm replacing all the screws to secure the back panel. This step is important for both the structural integrity of the device and for protecting the internal electronics. With the router fully reassembled, I now need to prepare the other end of the coaxial cable that extends from the router. I'm fitting it with another F connector, just like before. Then, this angle connector is super convenient for connecting to the back of a TV where space might be tight. This connector will be the final link between our new DIY antenna and the television. And there you have it, our fully modified router with its new coaxial antenna cable. As you can see, the TV initially shows no signal, which is completely normal. I'm connecting the new coaxial cable from our modified router directly to the antenna input on my television. And there you have it. Instant, crystal clear television signal. From a dormant Wi-Fi router to a fully functional TV antenna, this DIY project proves that with a little creativity, you can achieve amazing things. No more fuzzy screens or missed shows. This transformation is truly incredible. And just like that, we have crystal clear free-to-air TV channels playing. The quality is absolutely fantastic, proving that this simple router can be transformed into a powerful digital antenna. To really show you the difference, I'll disconnect the antenna. See, no signal immediately returns. But once I reconnect it, bam! Instant channels. It's working exactly as intended. Look at that sharp picture. We now have multiple channels coming in perfectly. This homemade antenna is pulling in signals with impressive clarity, turning an old router into a household essential. It just goes to show that sometimes the best solutions are the ones you make yourself. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.